Welcome back to the Full Leaf Tea Company channel. In this video, we go over how to use our natural paper drawstring tea bags. First, you'll need to remove a tea bag from the packaging and gently prop it open to remove the string. These tea bags can be delicate as they are made of unbleached, biodegradable paper, free from microplastics. Fill the tea bag with your desired amount of tea leaves. We recommend 1 to 2 teaspoons per cup. Then, gently pull the string to firmly cinch the tea bag, ensuring no herbs can escape. Place the tea bag into your cup with the string hanging outside for easy removal when the time comes. Fill your cup with your desired amount of water. Recommend near boiling filtered water for the best flavor, and let the tea steep for its recommended time. A link in the description will be provided to reference our tea steeping guide. Once the tea has steeped completely, carefully remove the tea bag, allowing excess tea to drip before discarding. And now it is time to enjoy your tea. We hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions or thoughts, please leave a comment and we'd be happy to chat. Be sure to like and subscribe to our channel to stay up to date with all our tea tips, tricks, and recipes. Until next time, happy steeping.